Today we're going to have an introduction to addition. Let's learn about addition. What does that mean? How do we know when to use addition? Well, let's get started. When we add, we are putting things together. This symbol right here, that's an addition sign. And when you see that sign, it means that we are putting things together. For example, if I have 1 plus 1, I put those two together, and then I'll have 2 when I put them together. At first they're separate, 1, 1, put them together. Now I have 2. It's the same as 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to
2.
1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1, 1, 2. Once I put them together, I don't have these anymore. I'll just have the 2. Okay? Now, that's what we mean by addition. We put 2, 1 or more or 0. We just put two things together or more than two things together, then that is addition. Now, if we have 0, we don't have anything, nada, and then we add 1, then we're going to have just 1. So I have 1 here. I don't have anything over here. So I just have 1, just 1. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And when we're adding, we might use words like add. We'll use words equal or equals. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. Okay? Now, before we get into more addition, let's just look at some numbers. Let's look at our numbers. 2, 1, 2. That's what 2 looks like. And we said that when we put 2 together, we have 2. Okay? So 2 is equal to 2. 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 more. Start with the 2, just jump 1 more, now we'll get to that 3. 2 plus 1 more is 3. Okay? 4 is the same as 3 plus 1 more. 2, 3, 4. So if I have these 2 plus 1 more, that's 3. Let's get a 3. That's what that is, 3. Plus 1 more is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Put it together. When I put that together, I can regroup that. I want to regroup this 3 and this 1 and group it together, 4. So 4 is the same as 3 plus 1. It can also be the same as 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. That is equal to 4. So when we start adding and putting things together, there's so many different combinations that we can use. That's what makes math so fun. What would 4 plus 1 more? What would that be?
4 plus 4?
4 plus 1 more.
5.
5. So if I start at 4 and I go 1 more, that's the neighbor next door. So now I have 4 plus 1 I just jump to the next neighbor. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 is the same as 4 plus 1. I put those together, and then I can regroup those, that 4 plus 1. I'm going to regroup that, and I'm going to get a 5, because 4 plus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my, those are the same. So I'm just going to regroup that. 5. What is 5 plus 1 more?
6.
5 plus 1 more would be, jump from 5 to 6. So 5 plus 1 more. Up, it's not 5 anymore. It's 1 more than 5. 6. Okay. So we have 6. 5 plus 1 more is 6. I'm going to regroup the 5 and the 1. And I want to change that so that I have 6. Ooh, there we go. Regrouped it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6. It matches. Because when I count by ones, I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And if I have 6 plus 1 more, what would that be?
7.
6 plus 1 more? 7. Okay. So let's see. 6 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're right. That's 7. So 6 plus 1, when I regroup that, which means that instead of having 2 groups, I'm going to put it together, regroup it to make one group. That would be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 1 is not 6 anymore because I have 1 more. I have 7. Then what I'll do is regroup that 7 for this 7. And now I have 7 and 7. Okay. What would happen if I add 1 more? 7 plus 1 is equal to
8.
8. How did you know that?
Addition.
Addition. You could count on 7 in your mouth, 7, and then 1 more is 8. So you could start with that 7 and then 8. 7, 8. The number after 7 is
8.
very good. So I don't have a 7 anymore. I have what?
8.
8. All right. Now we're going to have 8. I want to regroup this. So when I regroup it, I won't have 2 that I'm adding together. I'm going to have 8. I won't have 2. 7 plus 1. Now I have 8. So now that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's keep. So now I have 8, 8. What if I add 0 to this 8? How many will I have?
Well, 8.
8. The 0 doesn't change anything. It doesn't change anything. If I have 8 and I add 0, it's still going to be 8 because adding 0 is not doing anything to it. It's not adding, it's adding nothing. And 0 is a very important number. Okay? So we have 8. We have 8. If I add 0 to 8, 8 plus 0 is 8. Matter of fact, 0 plus any number, 0 plus 5 is what?
5.
5. 0 plus 6 is what?
6.
Anything plus 0 is the other number. That number is going to keep its identity. So if I have 0 plus 7, it's going to be 7. Any number added to 0 is going to keep its identity. It's not going to change. It's going to always be the other number. Okay? So 8 here, 8 here. What will happen if I added one more? If I add one more?
9.
9. If I add 8 and I just count on 1. 8, what's the number after 8?
9.
9. That's how you add 1. You just tell the number that comes after 8 would be 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. I'm going to regroup that 9, regroup the 8 and the 1 for a 9. There we go there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 8, 9. Okay? So 8 plus 1 is 9. Regroup that. 9. Yes. All right. 9 and 9. Could put it over here. 9 and 9. It doesn't matter which side of the equal sign. You can put it here, put the 9 over there. It stays the same. And then what is 9 plus 0?
9.
It's still 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. What if I added one more to the 9? How much would that be?
1 more to the 9?
One more to 9.
10.
10. So it's no longer the 9. We say it's going to be 10. Okay. So what do you think I want to do next with this 9 and 1? What do you think I want to do with that?
Make it a 10.
Yeah, it's already 10, but what do I want to do? What's the name of that?
Regroup.
Regroup. So here we go. We're going to regroup that. 9 plus 1. I'm going to regroup it. This is 10 right here, the blue one. And then this is 10 here, 9 and 1. So I'm going to regroup and just use the 10. All right. So we've just added numbers together to equal a number up to 10. All right. So now I'm going to put plus sign here and it equals here. And then let's just work some problems out. All right. What if I have 0 plus 1? It's equal to what?
1.
1. It's equal to 1. What if I have 2 plus 1? It equals what?
2 plus 1?
2 plus 1 equals
3.
3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Good job. So that's going to look like this. 3. Okay, what if we have 3 plus 4? How could I do that one? It's going to equal what?
7.
Okay, I'll have 3. And then I'll have 4. 3 plus 4. So I could add on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And then when I put those two together, that 4 and that 3, what can I do with the 4 and the 3?
Regroup.
I can regroup that 4 and 3. And learning how to regroup is going to really help when we add larger numbers as well. So we got 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7, we regrouped it and got the 7 right there. All right, let's try 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is
9.
9. Very good. 5 plus 4 is 9. And that 9 is looking like that. We already regrouped it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what 5 plus 4 is. Now what I want to do is, I want to add some doubles. Doubles plus 1. All right? So let's do 1. And then, what is the number if I want to do doubles plus 1? 1 plus what?
Doubles plus 1?
Uh-huh. Double, what number would I need that comes after 1?
What? 2.
2. So if I want to know about the doubles plus 1, then I'm just going to do the number that comes right after the 1. The number that comes after 1 is 2. So then we're going to do doubles plus 1. Okay? So let's do it. 1, and then let's take that number, double it. Got it?
Yep.
So what's the 1 plus the 2?
3.
3. That's going to be 3. I like the doubles plus 1. What if I had 2 plus, what number comes after 2?
3.
3. Let's do that one. Let's do a 2 plus a 3. All right? We have 2 plus 3 equals, let's get 2 here. Then I'll put 2 here, because we're going to double that. We're going to put the same thing here over here. But that doesn't match, does it? What should that be?
A 3.
A 3. That should be 1 more. Right? Good job. So what's the 2 plus 3?
4. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. I think you were saying 4 because you were thinking of the double 2. 2, that would have been 4, but we're going to add 1 so that matches. That's going to be 5. I think we've done quite a bit right now. And we just practice. We have a number line so that we can see how the numbers are in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Then we have some cards here so that we can match our numbers with our manipulatives. We can use all kind of manipulatives when we're adding. That's what makes it so fun. You can add with checkers. Let's get checkers here. Okay, connect 4. Those come from the connect 4. All right, so then I could say 1 plus 1 is
2.
2. 3 plus 2 is
3 plus 2?
2 plus 3, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry. 5.
5. Let's try this one. Let's say 2 reds plus 3 yellow would be
5.
Didn't change. I could change the color, but still 5. What about 2 and 3 there?
5.
5. Still, as long as that number is 2 and this is 3, doesn't matter what they are. When I add them together, it's going to be 5. Put it on that side. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. You have any suggestions on what we could add and how we can add?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Well, then we'll wrap it up here. And thank you so much for joining me.
You're welcome.
All right. Bye-bye.